On this 74th Independence Day, on behalf of Bethel Mission School family, I would like to wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. So let us come together and celebrate the biggest occasion of every Indian and promise to protect it. Each and everything that we do as a citizen makes a big difference to our country. So let's become more cautious of our actions. I know this year 2020 has been trying times for all of us, as this epidemic has come into our lives as a storm and disrupted what we call normal. It has brought life to a standstill and makes us realize and ponder. Nature is reminding us of our equality and interdependence. It is a lesson imparted to us at a heavy price to build a better future. Our precious earth is finding the way to heal. No path is impossible, no path is difficult if our resolutions are strong. These are challenging times to unlearn, relearn, and test our capabilities and value systems. As we know, railways, airports, transports, hospitals, factories, schools have been affected across countries. But let us not panic, let us be hopeful, and let us be positive. I would like to quote few lines. ये जिंदगी है जनाब, कभी हंसाएगी कभी रुलाएगी. ये जिंदगी है जनाब, कभी हंसाएगी कभी रुलाएगी. जो खामोशी से सह लिया वो निखर गया, जो भावनाओं में बह गया वो बिखर गया. So let us take this opportunity to do something extraordinary in our lives, as we have seen a leverage in the digital technologies. I'm glad online teachings are still going on in the midst of this crisis. A salute to all our teachers who are trying their level best to use and to teach through these modern technologies. School doesn't feel like school without you, my dear children. I know as much as you are missing school, we are also missing you. In fact, you are very lucky to reach your school at the click of a button. Let's stay focused and be creative and make use of every opportunity that we have. This makes us grasp the precious things that we have. Let's be grateful and make use of the opportunity that we have that will make us focus on the meaning of our lives, which will help us to be victorious in this battle. It's time to rebuild and reboot. By changing the quality of our thinking, we can change the quality of our life. So, what are we thinking? Are our thoughts inspiring and motivating and hopeful? Sometimes we are tested not to show our weaknesses, but to discover our strengths. I would like to quote few lines. जिंदगी को आसान नहीं, बस खुद को मजबूत बनाना पड़ता है. जिंदगी को आसान नहीं, बस खुद को मजबूत बनाना पड़ता है. उत्तम समय कभी नहीं आता, समय को उत्तम बनाना पड़ता है. A great salute to all the corona warriors, soldiers, doctors, nurses, health workers, government and all the citizens of our country who are at the forefront fighting to win this battle. हार से डर जाने से बेहतर है जीत की कोशिशें में मर जाना. हार से डर जाने से बेहतर है जीत की कोशिशों में मर जाना. Let's be Atmanirbhar and make our country proud. With these lines, I would like to end. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.